गरज गरज आज मेघ जनन जनन छायोरी दमक दमक चमक बिजुरी कहते ऋतुराज आयोरी गरज गरज आज मेघ. Hi, my name is Sukrit Sen. I am from Kolkata, India. I'm an architect and a heritage conservationist by profession and a musician by passion. And over these last few months, in this pandemic, over this lockdown, when we were all stuck at homes, there were two activities that really helped me heal. First was coming up to my terrace, because this was one place where I really interacted with any form of nature, the sky, the trees. This was a place where I played my music, but this was also the place where I got in touch with all my neighbors from different houses, from my apartment, and get in touch with them because I lost all touch over these last few years of fast life where we were all busy with our work. But this pandemic really helped us take a break and again, rekindle all these relationships that were missing all these days. We don't. Another activity that's kept me really busy during the pandemic was cycling. Well, of course, I wasn't going out for leisure trips, but I would go out on my cycle to reach out to senior citizens, to COVID patients, and help them with groceries, medicines, and other things that they would require. But with God's grace, thankfully, COVID cases are going down. But I continue going out on my cycle to explore the beautiful heritage of Calcutta, the scenic beauty of Calcutta that you see around me right now. Because on a cycle, literally everything is accessible, and the best part is you don't burn a single fossil fuel, so you're contributing no carbon footprint, which makes me really happy. Although I've been cycling for a really long time, for 7-8 years now, but cycling during lockdown was a different experience altogether because the city looked like nothing before, and I think it really helped me discover more lanes, more areas that I've never been to in earlier times because I was just busy. But lockdown in many cases was literally a boon in disguise, and I'm so thankful that we are going back to normalcy. COVID cases are going down, people are going back to normal life, and I wish to God that we continue this way and continue caring for the environment and look at the beauty that we have around us. So right behind me is the river Hooghly, the river that solely led to what Calcutta is today. It is through this river that the British, the French, the Portuguese, the Dutch, every European who came to India came through this river. And the Britishers, fortunately or unfortunately, settled here, making Calcutta the British capital before they shifted to Delhi. And that is the reason why this area, the Ghat region of Calcutta, which me from my organization, the Living Waters Museum, is working on, the Ghats of Kolkata, became a very, very important place for zamindars and important and wealthy families of Calcutta to portray their greatness, to portray their wealth, which is why there is a linear arrangement of different ghats named after different people. And right now I'm standing at the Molli Ghat, which is very, very picturesque and famous for the local flower market of Calcutta, as you must have seen while I was coming through these very crowded roads with colorful flowers on both sides. And as you may see, on the other side is Howrah, the Howrah station, from where even today people who grow flowers come to this part of the state, cross the river, wash their flowers, as you may see a person is already doing right now, and sell it out in the local market from where it gets distributed to the entire part of the city. Now this particular place, because of how picturesque this is, because of the Robindra Setu, one of the biggest hanging bridges in the world, and of course the sunset and every other thing around here, this is one of my most favorite spots. Every time I go out cycling, I try to come here and rest for a bit and just enjoy the beauty of the city of joy, living the dream.
Now I'm on the last leg of my cycling trip, and although cycling is great, another very important part of such activities is to stay hydrated, especially in a place like Calcutta, which is very warm and humid. So I always prefer coming down to this historic, drinking place, if I may say, which is Paramount. It's a 1918 stall, and I love to experiment with different drinks that they have. They have like a number of drinks, my favorite being the Dab Sharbat, which unfortunately is not available today, so I'm doing with the tamarind syrup. And well, now I'll head home, and it's been a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this entire trip. Cheers.